I want to show you how to use generative AI to boost your language learning skills. Let's say you work for a company headquartered in Switzerland, and you have to write a marketing report in French, a language you're still learning. After writing that first draft, you can use generative AI to create multiple versions with different audiences and tones in mind, or have it suggest clearer wording and then leave blanks to help you practice these keywords. As you advance your skills, you can continue using generative AI to fill in any new gaps or refine your speaking or writing. In our course, Learning Languages with AI, we'll work together to build up your generative AI strategies and skills so you can unlock an on demand tool to take your language learning to the next level.